Former Prime Minister Begum Khaleda Zia, she has
Our
been
country
pasted.
flag, Bangladesh national flag, and the Bangladesh National Parliamentary House, Parliament House. A lots of people together because our Prime Minister, three-time old Prime Minister Begum Khaleda Zia, she has been passed, she has been died, and we together here and perform her into the prayer. We pray for him. We are pray for him, and I hopefully that all everyone pray for him. She also respectable person in Bangladesh. She respectable person in Bangladesh. A lots of people together here and perform her in prayer. That means Arabic janaza. Arabic call janaza. Perform Arabic call janaza. Lots of military and Bangladesh police and Bangladesh military guard here.